So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernal of Page Property by DMCI Home. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now we're here at the Prisma Residences Kiran Building. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang 2-bedroom unit dito kay Kiran, which is a 2-bedroom B type 0.1. So it's 66.5 square meters. So nandito tayo sa 2901. Yan. So guys, ito yung 2-bedroom na nasa end unit and napakalaki ng size niya. So tara. So here guys, once we enter the unit, so makikita naman natin dito, nandito ang ating living and dining area. So on this side, meron siyang balcony. So yung living and dining area nyo, nakadirekta na siya dito. And here, this is our kitchen. So as is where is, lahat ng turnover finish sa DMCI, merong granite countertop finish. And meron na rin mga kitchen cabinets o yung cupboards na tinatawag natin na naka soft close system. And may mga drawers na tayo. And pati cabinets dito sa baba. And dito guys, ang ating bathroom area. So ang ating bathroom area, kasama ng granite countertop finish, the lavatory, toilet bowl, and also the shower set. So ito guys, spacious din ang kanyang bathroom. And here, this is the washing machine area, the laundry area. So based on pagkakakita ko, nandito ang kanyang outlet for the water. And nandito ang kanyang provision for the waste. So nandyan siya. And here, papakita ko sa inyo guys ang ating view of the balcony. So, ito guys, napaka-breathtaking yung view niya. So, makikita natin ang Antipolo Mountain views. And at the same time, adjacent siya dun sa Laguna Bay. And makikita natin dito ang view of the city talaga. So, paggabi dito guys, ang ganda rin ng view. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa isang bedroom ni Kiran Building, which is the 66.5 square meters. So, unahin muna natin tong master's bedroom or the bedroom 1. So, ito ang kanyang itsura. So, makikita niyo. So, I'm a 5'9" person. So, napakaluwag pa rin niya. And this is the access for the balcony of the 2-bedroom. So, yan. Ito naman, makikita naman natin dito ang view. So, ang Pasig River, and yung Laguna Bay, and also the BGC guys. So gusto ko tong unit na to guys, kasi parang naka 360 degree view na yung meron ka dito. And by the way guys, to add up, ang ating provision pa rin dito for the aircon is window type. Yan. And here guys, ang ating bedroom 2. So it's also another spacious bedroom 2. So makikita naman natin dito na kasya ang double bed. So yung cabinets natin, kasya dito, and yung working table. So it's almost all high ceiling na rin. So pwede nyo na rin siya gawing double deck dito. And ito guys, if you have any questions about this unit for this kind of 2 bedrooms, actually marami pa tayong available na mga bedrooms na nandito. So 1BR, 2BR, 3BR. Just feel free to ask. Quotation is free. So nandito ang aking contact details is Mike PH Property by DMCI Homes. And nandito rin sa description ng aking video dito sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, please do subscribe, like, and share para maka-update kayo sa aking mga videos na ina-upload every day. Thank you guys, and maraming salamat, and have a great day ahead, and God bless.